All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Tectonic. They got over $1 billion total locked up in their supply, which is pretty big. We're going to go to their Twitter account, look at their website, check out a little price prediction. And then also, we bought one of those, this is an article, we bought one of those $103 NFT piggy NFTs on one of those main chains, and I don't know what to do with it next. So we're going to kind of cover over what do you do when you buy an NFT on OpenSeas, what's to do next. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, big ding, 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 up 34%. This could be a discount buy. Tectonic's at 30.40 on the coin market cap. It is up 34% in the last 7 days. What is going on? Go Tectonic. It's down 0.5% today, but when you're up 34%, what are you supposed to do? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1051. Let's come down here and take a look right here in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, this coin is up, up, up. Now remember, Tectonic is talked about just as much as Shiba Inu, if not more. Everybody always wants to know what the next Shiba Inu is. And Tectonic is talked about more right this second. I don't know. This could be a good thing for everybody. All right, over here at their Twitter account, Tectonic, a cross-chain money market. Take a look at this. We have exceeded 1 billion in total supply. Thanks to all the Tectonians for the big milestone. Head over and borrow assets and unlock some liquidity. We have over 1 billion in total supply at Tectonic, which is fantastic. We just launched our TSUD market today. Double-digit yields right now. Probably nothing. Come on, we know it's big. It says, good morning, Tectonians. We are at the final stage of our staking mode launch, and we can't wait to start shipping the features out to you. Read more about it. This is one of my favorite ones of all. Good morning, Tectonians. Dual rewards, VVS and Tectonic farms on VVS finance incoming. Stake your VVS and your Tonic LP tokens and earn both. That's right, both VVS and Tonic, and save it today. What's better than being rewarded with 1 token on Crystal Farms? How about being rewarded with 2? You got it. All right, over here at the Tectonic website. Tectonic shifts in lending and borrowing. Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yield and access instant back loans. So right off the rip, everybody, earning passive yield. Does that sound like something you may want to do? It says Tectonic Crypto price prediction revised. Tectonic Crypto price prediction last 7 days. Interest in Tectonic Crypto versus Shiba Inu. So guess what? There's a lot of Shiba Inus and Tectonic things going on. Tectonic is talked about more than Shiba Inu right now. Here's some facts. Tectonic is a native token of Tectonic Protocol. Tectonic is decentralized algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit and earn, take a look, earn passive income by borrowing funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. Crypto assets deposits in Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earning and available immediately with no lockups. There we go. We got $1 billion in total supply locked up. We like that a lot. Generate passive yield on your assets. Crypto assets deposit into Tectonic earn APIs based on dynamic rate according to the market demands. Earning available immediately. It says instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get instant loans to unlock liquidity from idle crypto. Remember the idle crypto. You got all that money sitting in that account and you're just watching those cryptos to shoot to the moon? That kind of sounds like idle crypto to me. Let's take out a loan on it over here with Tectonic. Start borrowing today. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. They got audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by lending blockchain security slow miss. The insurance fund is coming soon. And open source are among the founding principles on DeFi with Tectonic proudly committed to. All right, everybody, Tectonic is going up 34% in the last 7 days. Holy cow, everybody. If you were watching my stuff a week or two ago and I was talking about this and you decided to get positioned, you're pretty happy. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right. I know food prices are up. I know gas prices are up. We're talking about cryptocurrency projects that you can do that can actually help you get yourself out of these high gas prices and high food. Don't forget to hit that like button. Remember, Drip Network, 365%, get 1% back every single day. We'll link a video when we're done. All right, people are buying NFTs for $103, these little piggy NFTs, and they don't know what to do. Let's head over to OpenSeas and check it out. All right, Yahoo Finance, I paid $103 for a cartoon pig NFT on the largest online marketplace for digital tokens. Now I don't know what to do. There they got their $105 little pig. I just bought my first NFT on OpenSeas, the largest online marketplace for digital assets. But the process was a headache by buying crypto to figuring out how to connect all the apps. And on the top of that, I don't know what to do next with my NFT. There's a $2,000 digital art frame on the market that allows you to display your NFT in your home. The price is ridiculous, but the purpose became more understandable after I decided to buy my first NFT, just for fun. There's this $103 NFT. After purchasing crypto and transferring it into my digital crypto wallet, hitting a roadblock after roadblock, I finally became the proud owner of a 14-second animated cartoon of a pig set against flying backgrounds of colors to the tune of electric dance music. And now I have no clue what to do next. It's a weird feeling since NFTs are the rage right now in the decentralized tech world. There are many. There may be some potential real-world use for them, but at the moment they're used mostly for speculative assets, including the art world. So all I can hope for that is that it appreciates in value. But is it still worth the headache I got from going through all this process? I have to jump through hoops to do? Holy cow, everybody, I don't know. You just can't go to OpenSeas and buy an NFT first. You have to go to open a crypto wallet and buy crypto. Yeah, it kind of makes sense. You got to have the crypto wallet to put it in. I know they're going to be like, oh, you got to do this and that. Yeah, you kind of, in order to drive a car, you got to buy the car and got to have a title and you got to get gas. They went over to Coinbase wallet. You open to OpenSeas. A lot of OpenSea users also go to MetaMask. Once I verified and got my bank account connected, it was time to buy some crypto. But on Coinbase app, not Coinbase wallet app, confusing, I know. Ether is the most valuable virtual coin used to transact the Ethereum blockchain on the OpenSeas. But he couldn't use that way either. He had to wait 7 days for it to verify. So I tried the MetaMask to see what would be quicker. I put all my information in, and the browser to tell me that where I live isn't supported. 7 days later, time to use his Ethereum on OpenSea should be quick, right? Not exactly. Yeah, I know, the process kind of sucks sometimes. He knew he had to connect the OpenSeas to his Coinbase wallet, but the OpenSeas app didn't present any options. The only option were MetaMask, Trust Wallets, Rainbow, and to find the Ethereum address. Yeah, so everybody, this NFT here, I know there's a few different steps. When it goes to buying these NFTs, having a wallet, transferring it, it does take some time. We just set up a few people that we know to get some cryptocurrency projects started, and we had to set up the Coinbase, and when we made a deposit, guess what? It's 10 days before the funds are actually available if you use a check, and if you use a credit card, it's 5 days. So just like getting in any other business, if you open to McDonald's or you open to Arby's or something, day 1 second, it may take a little time to get yourself lined up. Buying NFTs are no different. You got to have your wallet. You got to have your Coinbase or your Binance. You got to have your MetaMask. There's a few things you got to do. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. These are common things that are going to be going on for years and years to come, buying NFTs. So you may want to go Google somebody's class, watch a 10-minute video. All right, let's head back over to Tectonic for a little price prediction. All right, back over at the Tectonic website, there's frequently asked questions. Here's a few of them. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income. Did you hear that? To earn passive income and to borrow funds unlocked in liquidity in their assets. So that idle crypto and passive income sounds pretty good to me. Funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to borrowers who may use at a variable interest rate. So you throw your money in and they lend it out at a different rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. Tectonic is a tectonic protocol token with two key uses: governance and staking into the community insurance pool to secure protocol and earn more rewards. So over here at Tectonic, if you're looking to learn about passive income, earning passive yields, or borrowing against your funds, you may want to head over there to Tectonic today. Again, you can get dual rewards with your VVS and your Tonic. Over back here at CoinMarketCap, this token is up 34% in the last 7 days. Take a look at this chart, 34%. What's our price prediction? Keep an eye on it. When you got coins that are up 34%, it's either moving really good or coming back down a little bit. Make sure you do your homework. Tectonic could be the next Shiba Inu. Everybody's always looking, what's the next Shiba Inu? This coin's being talked about more than Shiba Inu. All right, everybody, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Drip Network. Get 365% back, 1% a day on your initial investment. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Tectonic is going big. Learn to buy NFTs. There's about 7 different processes that you have to go through. All right, everybody, have a fantastic day. Thanks for tuning in to Frank's Crypto Corner.